Hello viewers, thank you very much for dropping by and welcome to Mingwei, channel mostly about drones and drones related contents. Yeah, my name is Wei Ming and today I'm at this place called Lake Valley. This is a park where I used to fly my drones quite often over here. The reason why I like to fly over here is because of the park is rather a good sized park. It's quite a big park where not too much of a tall trees, so I have ample of space for me to take off and land my drones. For those of you who are staying in Malaysia, okay, especially in Kuala Lumpur, you should know where am I. Okay, it is somewhere around in Cheras. It is in Tun Hussein on Cheras. Okay, for Malaysian, you should know. I mean, especially for those of you who are staying in Kuala Lumpur, you should know where am I. And yeah, I have my SJRC F11S 4K Pro with me today. The reason why I do not want to take out the drone is because of the wind condition is a bit strong now. It's quite windy outside. I do not know. I am a bit hesitant to fly the drone. I'm so sorry for the noise a bit. I know it's a bit noisy because there is some renovation going on over the other side. Over there. Yeah, some houses over there is under renovation. So it's a bit noisy. I'm so sorry. And as I said, yeah, I'm talking about shall I fly my drone or not? It's a bit windy. Maybe if I can show it to you. Yeah, you can look at the. Yeah, I just show you how windy it is outside. You can look at the leaves of the trees. Okay, so it's a bit windy, so it might not be a good time to fly my drone. You can see, check it out. Okay, so yeah, the drone is supposed to be able to handle up to level 6 according to advertisement. It's supposed to be able to handle strong wind. The capability is supposed to be better than DJI Mini series, because DJI Mini series can handle up to level 5. This drone is supposed to be able to handle up to level 6. But again, those are advertisement. Sometimes they will exaggerate whatever the actual capacity or actual capability of the drone. Anyway, we'll see how. Okay, and if the condition is suitable for me to fly the drone, then you are you are able to see these clips. Otherwise, you are not able to see this clip. I really do not know. I want to fly the drone, but a bit hesitant because the wind is too strong. No particular mission today actually. What I'm going to do is I will just fly around this park here, show you around the park, and maybe if I may, I will do some quick shots or intelligent flight modes. Yeah. For those of you who is new to my channel, and if you like contents about drones, maybe you can consider subscribing to my channel. There's quite a lot of drones contents in my channel, and still a bit hesitant, shall I fly or not? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Supposing if I were to fly the drone, then you are able to see these clips. Otherwise, you are not able to see the screen, as I say. Okay. I hope you enjoy, and thanks very much for watching, and we'll see how. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, now first of all, let me do the necessary calibration, the compass calibration. Okay, I have to lift up the drone, make horizontal, turn clockwise, shall I do it once more because I couldn't hear the beeping sound. Okay, let me do it once more. Okay, both stick up and in. Okay, yeah, horizontal and vertical. I think it's a bit noisy here. I couldn't hear the beeping sound. Do it once more again for the third time. Okay. Okay, it's done. And gyro calibration as well. Okay. Now let me hide myself under the shade. And oh yeah, format the SD card as well. Yes. And video starts to record. Alright. And take off.
Fly.
Okay. Let me show you. It is still very windy. Let me show you how strong it is, the wind around here. I got the wrong view. Alright. Okay, this is supposed to be. Okay, let me go up. Right. Let me show you around. It is very strong wind. But it is good also, at least I can test how strong is this drone. Okay, as I said, it advertised as level 6. It can handle up to level 6 wind resistance. So let's try out. Okay, it is very strong. You can see the drone is struggling up there. Just check it out. You can see how strong it is. The wind around here now. It is very strong wind. Okay. I'll make a 360-degree turn around. Look at those leaves. So strong. Yeah, the drone really struggle up there. You can see it's really struggling up there. Anyway, I guess the drone is the drone can handle it, no problem at all. And let's fly. Alright, let's go. As I said, I don't have a particular mission. Yeah, the renovation is over there. These are the place where you can hear all the renovation noise come from here. And this happened to be one of the house that is under renovation. Yeah, why don't I just go near to the house? Yep, this is one of the house. Oh, sorry. This is one of the houses that is under renovation. This is one over here in front, and there's another one on the right. the right hand side. It is over here. One of these houses around here. I don't want to go too near to the house since they are under renovation. Yep, it is. Yeah, I do not know whether you can see. It is supposed to be the fourth house from your left. That's the house under renovation. Okay, now let us fly around. Bring up the drone. I'll show you around this lake. Yeah, a beautiful lake in front. We go up higher. Yeah, the beautiful lake. Go up higher. Yeah, and I'll show you around this lake here. I'll turn 360 degrees around. It is a residential area. As you can see, there's a lot of houses around here. Quite a lot of big houses. And this lake separated into 3 parts. The lake, I believe it's a man-made lake, and it is act as a reservoir to keep the water. Otherwise, the whole place here will be flooding. Okay, this is to avoid flood. Okay. Turn to my right slowly. Yeah. So I'm bringing back the drone close to me because I wanted to show you some of the intelligent flight mode. Okay, bring down the drone. Okay, drone is back, and let me see. Okay, the intelligent flight mode. What I wanted to do is tracking. It's a bit hot out there. Okay, now I believe I am holding this. Yeah, the first track will be GPS. Okay. Hey, I hope the drone is right on top of me now. I will have to point the camera to myself. Down, yes. Oh, too much. Okay. Yep, okay. As you can see, I'm under the shade. It's too hot out there. Okay, so the drone follows me. This is GPS tracking. It tracks very well. Very good. Okay, we walk back to the shade. Yeah, let me walk back to the shade. Because I want to test out another way to track. That's the image tracking. Okay, now the next one, image tracking. I got it. Image tracking. And myself. Yep. The drone is tracking me, alright? I got it right. Let me try it once more. I am not too sure whether if I got it right or not. Let me try it out and see whether if I think this is still GPS tracking, right? Okay, let me check it out. Oh, I have to, yeah. Okay, then this is image tracking, right? Okay, now myself is here. Okay, once more. Okay. Now, okay, this is correct. But lost me. Let me go back inside the box, the green box. Yep. Okay, got me now. Yes. Got me now this time. All right. Okay. So this is image tracking or image follow. Yeah, image follow. Got me all right. Yep, still following me. Very good. Yeah, it lost me again. Go back inside the box. Yep, it is working. That's good. Okay, let me get up from this. I can hardly see my usual problem. I can hardly see there's a screen again. It's hot outside. Okay, I'm inside the under the shade again, and let me get out from here. Yeah, okay. So I will fly normal now. Normal flight mode. Now bring up the gimbal. Let's fly around. Yeah, as I said, I don't have a particular plan today. There's no particular mission. So what I'll do is I'll just fly around. Show you some of the big houses here. and the lake as well, a beautiful lake. I have to say this drone is really very powerful. This kind of wind is still able to fly so well. Very good. It might not be level 6, but at least it is very fast. Alright, I know it is fast. Bring up the drone. It can fly very fast. Okay. Now what I wanted to test now is the RTH. See how accurate is the return to home. Okay. Okay. Here, let's test it out.
Return home.
It's flying back now. Coming back home now. You'll see how close or how accurate is the RTH. Oh yeah, just now I've set it up to 80 meters, I guess. Yeah, that's why it go up so high. I didn't realize I've set up to 80 meters RTH. Okay, it's coming down now. Let me bring down the gimbal.
Down.
It's coming down now. You see how accurate is the RTH. Looks like quite close. Yeah, it is quite close. I might have to pause it afterwards. Yeah, it is quite close. Alright, not bad.
Stop, return home.
Yeah. Okay, let me bring up the gimbal and point the drone to me. Yeah, the drone is really struggling now. It's again very windy. Okay, down. Yep, okay. Alright. Put it. Up. Okay, let me make my conclusion over here. Yep, okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I think the drone wants to land already. Alright, yeah, so do take care always, and I'll see you on the next one. I think the drone really wants to land because the battery is very low already. You cannot see me now. I'll try to. Okay, I think the drone is a bit stable now. A bit struggling. Yeah, okay. I hope you enjoy watching the video. And for those of you who's new to my channel, and if you like content about drones, do consider subscribe to my channel. And do take care always as usual. Again, thank you so much. Sorry for I am a bit nervous now because of the wind, and also the drone wants to land. The battery is very low already. So yeah, I guess that's about all. Thanks very much again. Bye bye.